Po na-learn ako in my financial, so it's really important na you need to live below your means. So di ka maluho. So importante na siya, di ka maluho na pagka ah, ah, yeah, you need to manage your money. So you need to manage your money first, the mindset that you have. So you need to ask for wisdom for God ang saan pag-handle sa money. And kadua, you need to put tights. So it's really important to tights also sa mong uh, first fruits of your labor. And yeah, ako dari karon. And it's ikadua ay katulo is track all the expenses that you have, and that's one thing that I learned for my 20s. So gina-track na ko akong mga expenses for weekly ba, monthly. So yeah, you need to track all it downs gikan sa imong foods, mga gina-consume nimo or mga luho nimo, you need to track it all. And kaupat, do not rush to rich rich get rich slowly. So you need to um balance those pleasure that you have right now. So it takes time to really sacrifice talaga. Kung hindi ka sacrifice ka, mag-save ka, you need to do something na yeah, dili usually ginabuhat nimo sa una, mga routine nimo na mga bad habits na mong paggasto sa kwarta before. So you need to be knowledgeable on that and to ask wisdom how to use it from God. And yeah, that's our money content and advice from me. So God bless everyone.